Cat says to me, he wants to speak to me because he was raided. He says the people that raided him woke him up as he was sleeping and bambulingo bathi vuka. Then I realized that was a special task force. Immediately, when they come to your bathroom and they wake you up, that could be only nobody, but a special task force. Those cats.
So guys, that was Vusumuzi Kate Matlala speaking with Bekicele, and telling him everything about what has been happening. So one of the biggest revelations that Vusumuzi Matlala made, when he was speaking with the witness when he was being arrested, is that he said he gave Shadrack Sibiya money from a tender that he had gotten. So if you remember, Vusumuzi Matlala was this guy that was getting all these tenders and was sort of distributing this money to Brown Mokhotsi, to Vusumuzi Matlala and other guys out there. So this guy Vusumuzi Matlala is actually ready and prepared, to more of like spill the beans. And if you remember in one of the chats with Brown Mokhotsi, he actually revealed, that you guys are not helping me with anything. You are just more of like milking me all this money and you are not being of any help whatsoever. So this guy Vusumuzi Matlala, he is actually ready, to tell everything. And one of the suggestions that is out there that I feel like this can be done, for these investigators, is like they can, what is it called? Lowering the sentence for Vusumuzi Matlala for him to turn into a state witness so that he can reveal, all those guys that he was working with, maybe they're in the police, they are in the ANC or wherever they are. If he can more of like expose that, then he gets his sentence reduced to maybe 30 years because that guy is facing a lifetime in jail. Maybe his sentence can be reduced to 30 years and he exposes the entire chain. I think that might something that the investigators can look into. I'll catch you guys on the next one.